Stars Learning TV.
Hey kids, today we go on a fun adventure to write the alphabet. Let's go to write the A. Draw two slanting lines from top to bottom to left and right and join them with a sloping line in the middle. Yay, you made the A! Now it's time for B. Make one standing line, then draw one big round belly at the top and another big round belly at the bottom. Yes, that's the B. The next one is C. Start at the top and make a curved line like a half circle. Yes, that's C. Let's go to D. Draw a standing line and make one big curve from top to bottom. Yes, there is your D. Now it's time for E. Draw one standing line, then three slipping lines at top, bottom and middle. Perfect, that's E. Next comes F. Draw a standing line and two slipping lines, one at the top and one in the middle. That's F. Let's write G. Make a big curve like a C. Then add a small slipping line in the middle on the right side. Now write H. Draw two standing lines and one slipping line in the middle to join them. Yay, you made H. Next draw I. Draw one standing line. Yes, that's I. Now let's go to J. Draw a slipping line on top and a standing line that curves like a hook at the bottom. The next one is K. Draw one standing line, then two slanting lines from the middle, one grouped up and one going down. Now draw the letter L. Draw one standing line and one slipping line at the bottom. Let's go to M. Draw two standing lines and connect them to slanting lines in the middle. Looks like a mountain. Now it's time for N. Draw one standing line, then a slanting line down, and another standing line at the end. Here is O. big round circle. Easy peasy. Now it's time to pee. Draw a standing line and one small round belly at the top. Next do Q. Draw a round O, then add a teeny slanting line at the bottom right. Now let's go to R. Draw a standing line, then a small round belly on the top, and a slanting line going down from the middle. Let's draw S. Make a curvy twist, one curve up and one curve down. The next one is T. Draw one standing line and a slipping line on the top. Now it's a U. Draw two standing lines and join them with a curve at the bottom. That's the U. Let's draw the letter V. Draw two slanting lines meeting at the bottom point. Now write W. Draw two V shapes joined together, one up and one down. That's W. Let's go to X. Draw two slanting lines that cross each other in the middle. Yes, that's X. Now let's write Y. Draw two slanting lines meeting in the middle at the top. Finally, it's time to Z. Draw one slipping line on top, then a slanting line down, and another slipping line at the bottom. Yay! You finished your Z!
Great job, kids. To learn ABCs with all these amazing words. Keep practicing and singing along. See you next time.